am Nestle Escala.
I am President Di Padillo.
We are your reporter for today. We'll cover Republic Act 9262, the Violence Against Women and Children Act of 2004. Republic Act 9262, the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004, is a landmark Philippine law protecting women and their children from physical, sexual, psychological, and economic abuse by intimate partners, making such acts public crimes and providing protection orders, legal aid, and support services for victims while also outlining rights for respondents. The aspects of RA 9262, definition of VAUSI, includes physical, sexual, psychological harm, and economic abuse like deprivation of finances or withdrawal of support.
Scope applies to acts by a husband, ex-husband, live-in partner, boyfriend, ex-boyfriend, or someone with whom the woman has a common child or dating relationships.
Public crime. Anyone with knowledge can file complaint, not just the victim. Protection orders allow victims to apply for protection orders to keep abuses away.
Okay? Support for victims. Mandate services like counseling, medical aid, shelters, and paid leave up to 10 days for employed victims. Battered woman syndrome or BWS recognizes BWS as a defense in cases where women retaliate.
How to seek help in violence against women and their children. Report to authorities immediately if you or someone you know is a victim, as it's a public crime. Contact agencies that provide support under this law.
Penalty. Violations of RA 9262 or anti-VAUSI carrying penalties including imprisonment varying from months to 20 years depending on severity. A fine of 100K to 300K and a mandatory psychological counseling or treatment plus parenting damage, moral or exemplary, and protection order BPO, TPO, PPO to keep abusers away.